Over the next 4 days, we're tackling the famous border track, driving the fence boundary north to south between Victoria and South Australia, all the way to the ocean. Buckle in, this one has it all. So we're on.
Why not? You know what? That's something you say.
Longer day than we thought today was meant to be. Cool. 3. This trip is Jason's baby, and he's already shared the journey over on his channel, Off the Beaten Path. The Border Cliffs Campground is just outside the town of Renmark, on the banks of the Murray River, and it's as close as you can get without a boat to the intersection of the 3 state boundaries. In these parts, the river is wide and the wildlife is abundant. I should introduce who's here. Paul and his valiant FJ Cruiser, no stranger to the channel. Just after I arrived, Troopy Matt rolled in aboard the aptly named tractor with that classic hum of the 2H engine. You may remember Matt from the day he saved Jason and I on Zulu Creek track.
Here he is, Troopy Matt to the rescue!
I need to introduce a new friend, Luca, in his GU Patrol TB48. This is my first time meeting Luca. By the time I arrived, he'd already set up camp and had the fire going for all of us. I know what sort of friend Luca's going to be. There was one person missing still, the fearless leader himself. We established comms and found out he made an unplanned stop in Mildura for a car park install of a dual battery system. You heard that right. To make matters worse, the shortcut he took to camp was a dud, turning into a sketchy drive through some wet and wild back roads of the Murray Sunset National Park.
Seems to have quite a bit of flow, that river, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Best way to check the depth of our bog holes this weekend is just watch the 76 go through.
The bloke did arrive, safe and sound. We caught up around the fire, excited about the journey ahead of us. Toyotas outweighing the Nissans this trip. A peaceful night's sleep on the bank of the Murray, and we're ready to tackle the border track.